Alright, so welcome back everyone, and in this video we're going to be installing some insulation in my little Holden combo van. It's similar to a Renault Kangoo, a Citroen Berlingo, or a most popular Volkswagen Caddy. And so what we're going to do is we've got this double aluminium foil bubble wrap, and then we're going to also put over the top a wood grain vinyl type stuff to make the inside look like it has wood panels without adding all the extra weight. I've also got some double-sided 3M tape. Each of these rolls is like 3 meters, yeah. So 6 meters of that. So without further ado, we'll open the package up and get inside. Alrighty, so here's the insulation, and the first thing we're going to do is unscrew these side panels and pop them off, and then we'll install some 3M adhesive and start installing the bubble wrap. So let's get into it. I'll do a few time lapses and a few close-ups. Enjoy the video. Subscribe, because this is the first of some epic projects. We're going to go on a lot of epic surf trips, get heaps of good footage, so enjoy.
And feeding without delay, making accusations, but you're anxious every day. Need a break from your business schedule of living 5 stars where you stay. You're making a stand, but not standing up yet. You're strong and of course you're a darling. You're smart and you're well read. You fight for what you think's right, but only make a difference in your head. You need a break from your addiction. Don't be plugged in until you're dead. You're making a stand, but not standing up.
Alright, so a quick little update is I have installed this big sheet of insulation here. So what I've done is I've got this 3M tape and stuck it to all the bits that you need, as you can see. I've just got to figure out where all the holes are for the plastic side bits to go back on. We're going to keep going until it gets too cold, because we are here in the snow, as you might be able to see. So yeah, it's going good. I hope you enjoy the rest of the time lapse.
Yeah. You have no plans to make plans. You have no plans that don't directly affect you. You have no plans to make plans. You have no plans that don't directly affect you. You can hold on to your good life.
Alright, so this is what we've got so far. It's all getting dark out here, so I'm going to have to go in. But we've got all the plastic covers back on, nice and firm, and the insulation goes under and to here. I'm going to have to add a bit more here. I'm not going to do the floor, because actually the floor is semi-insulated already with this gel stuff. And yeah, so it's gone up the wall to the roof and down there a bit. There's going to be a window here, so that's why I haven't insulated that bit, and the same goes here. So I took out both of those panels and I've insulated up to up there. So yeah, we'll get back to it tomorrow, do the roof and install some of the vinyl. If you want to get anything like this insulation, which I highly recommend, and a bit of this tape and stuff, I'll have links down below. And yeah, well, this video is obviously going to continue tomorrow, so you will see me tomorrow right now. Alright, so it's a new day and we are up to insulating the roof. So we're going to get into some time lapses, and we're going to have my brother also helping out. There he is. So yeah, we'll get the time lapses started again, put some of the 3M red tape, get the insulation on, and then stick the vinyl, and we should be almost good to go.
Went away for the weekend, started from a town in the East End. She says she doesn't know her feelings. Well, girl, just tell me what you're thinking.
So the van has come out better than I could ever imagine. Look at all the insulation on the roof, on the sides. It goes behind these panels, and yeah, it is just everywhere. So pretty stoked on this stuff, really. There's a few little bits that we need to patch up with some duct tape, but other than that, it looks awesome. So we're up to just patching that up and then time lapse when we put the vinyl on. So the vinyl's happening right now.
Well, fuck up the rocket ship now. Skip the track and get home. Don't you hang up the phone. We've tuck up and let me be me. Cup up the water, I'm sold. Just don't let me get old. Just don't let me get old, yeah. The green superintendent flies to the edge of this sky. Listen to him whisper, he's the king of surprise. Mr. Salty Dick Gum with the good God line. Calling out your name, he don't need a reply. Yeah. Help. I keep repeating myself, and then I skip the degree, and I can't feel my feet. Please, the dark and lightness in me, the people that disagree, smoking whatever's free, smoking whatever's free. Yeah, the green superintendent flies to the edge of this sky. Listen to him whisper, he's the king of surprise. Mr. Salty Dick Guy with the good God line. Calling out your name, he don't need a reply. Yeah. Went away for the weekend. Come and call at night, I'm steaming. She said, can I call? I've been thinking. I said, I'm out with the boys drinking. I said, I'm out with the boys drinking. You have no plans to make plans. You have no plans that don't directly affect you. You have no plans to make plans. You have no plans that don't directly affect you.
This is it. The fully insulated and now somewhat timber wood cabin-ish van build. It looks awesome. I've actually already slept a night here in the snow when it was -4 and I stayed pretty warm, so I'd say we did a good job. And yeah, it is a pretty awesome little van now. We've got more, well, I will have more on the way sometime soon, because we're going to be putting some solar on the roof and a battery pack, and then hopefully maybe even installing like outdoor showers and a awning that you pull out. So there's going to be a lot of cool stuff happening and a lot of good surf trips and awesome content coming your way on this channel. So subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and until next time, I guess all we've got left to do is peace out.